Hi Idol, safe ba mag-take na supplements like creatine and L-carnitine? Well, personally, ang alam ko at sinasabi naman nila, kahit i-research nyo, na basta healthy tayo, o kaya L-carnitine makakatulong siya, o kaya creatine for brain health, muscle hydration. L-carnitine brings fat sa mitochondria na cells, powerhouse na cells, to be used as energy. Pero kung may sakit tayo, may mga problems tayo, syempre wag natin i-take kasi baka makasama. And then the best workout is the workout na gagawin mo. Kailangan kasi consistency. It takes time. Huwag mo nang isipin anong best exercise, best workout split. Kasi kung hindi mo naman aaraw-arawin na workout or even twice a day, tas kain ka lang na kain, wala rin naman pupuntahan. Kasi to develop muscles, kailangan mo stimulate to progressive resistance training overload. Tas para makita yung muscles, kailangan mababa yung body fat, calorie deficit. Yun lang yung secret. Tama kayo, mali ako na your doctor. Do what works for you. Be healthy.